Prophecy isn't random prediction. It's not just Yahuwah telling people, here's what's going to happen one day. Prophecy is jurisdictional, and that means prophecy activates when authority changes legal state. And most people miss this because they read prophecy like a weather forecast. They ask, what event starts it? A war, an earthquake, the temple being rebuilt, a treaty, an eclipse, but Scripture's deeper than that. The real question isn't what happened. The real question is who has lawful authority and what has changed in the covenant court. And that's why Daniel's so misunderstood. People look for a headline. Daniel looks for a state. The dailies removed, the abominations set up, the holy people are shattered, the saints are given over, and the court is seated, and the wise understand. Those aren't just events, those are legal states. Time doesn't activate just because something dramatic happens. Time activates when the covenant condition changes. That's why the calendar matters. That's why the name matters. That's why Torah matters. That's why false authority matters. Because if Yahuwah has a covenant order, then any counterfeit system that replaces that order isn't just wrong religion, it's illegal occupation. The counterfeit doesn't need to build a third temple to be an abomination. If it occupies the function that belongs to Yahuwah, it's already standing where it shouldn't stand. If it replaces his name, his Torah, his calendar, his appointed times, his Messiah, his priesthood, his covenant order, and his authority, then the legal state has changed. And that's when prophecy starts moving. This is why Revelation begins at the covenant center and spreads outward. Judgment begins where authority was first given, then moves through the nations. And this is why most people won't see it. They'll see politics, they'll see war, they'll see economics, religion, but the wise see jurisdiction. Who claims authority? Who changed the calendar? Who replaced the name? Who removed obedience? Who rewrote covenant? Who sits in the seat that belongs to Yahuwah? That's the real prophetic question.